The importance of portion control. 10 simple points. Portion control plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy diet and managing weight. By understanding how to control portion sizes, you can ensure that you're consuming the appropriate amount of calories and nutrients for your body's needs. In this segment, we'll explore 10 simple points to help you master the art of portion control for optimal health and well being. 1. Mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to the quantity of food you consume and being aware of hunger and fullness cues. Slow down and savor each bite, focusing on the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. This allows you to enjoy your meals fully and prevents overeating. 2. Use visual cues. Visual cues can help you gauge appropriate portion sizes without the need for measuring tools. For example, a serving of meat should be about the size of a deck of cards, while a serving of pasta should be about the size of a tennis ball. 3. Read nutrition labels. Nutrition labels provide valuable information about serving sizes and nutrient content per serving. Pay attention to portion sizes listed on packaging to avoid unintentionally consuming more calories than you realize. 4. Plate composition. Use the plate method to ensure a balanced meal. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains or starchy vegetables. 5. Practice moderation. All foods can fit into a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Enjoy your favorite foods occasionally, but be mindful of portion sizes to prevent overindulgence. 6. Pre-portioned snacks. Instead of eating snacks directly from the package, portion them out into small containers or bags ahead of time. This helps prevent mindless eating and allows you to control portion sizes more effectively. 7. Listen to hunger cues. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, rather than eating until you're uncomfortably full. 8. Use smaller plates and bowls. Using smaller plates and bowls can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with smaller portions. Opt for salad plates and shallow bowls to help control portion sizes. 9. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Eating mindfully without distractions allows you to focus on your food and recognize when you're full. 10. Practice portion control techniques. Learn portion control techniques, such as dividing your plate into sections or using measuring tools to portion out food. With practice, you'll become more adept at estimating portion sizes accurately. In conclusion, mastering portion control is a valuable skill that can support your efforts to maintain a healthy diet and manage your weight. By practicing mindful eating, using visual cues, reading nutrition labels, balancing your plate, practicing moderation, pre-portioning snacks, listening to hunger cues, using smaller plates and bowls, avoiding distractions, and practicing portion control techniques, you can take control of your eating habits and make positive changes to your health. Start implementing these simple points into your daily routine to enjoy balanced and satisfying meals while supporting your overall well being.